what do you think about Pakistani beauty standards, complexion-wise?
Ooh. I mean, it's silly. But Arjun Rampal just came out with a statement on a podcast और वो कह रहे थे कि लड़के don't mature as fast as girls.
हम कोई भी अच्छा काम करें तो हमें लेबल किया जाएगा ये पाकिस्तानी ने किया. For example, कल अब अरशद नदीम ने he won that gold medal.
I think MPA था, MLA था, and his daughter, she was killed by her husband.
This is very saddening, लेकिन ये चीज़ पाकिस्तान में बहुत common है.
ये बहुत common है.
बहुत ज़्यादा common है ये. For example, we have talked about Pakistani government, corruption and safety. You have 24 hours. You are the Prime Minister of Pakistan. What would you change, keeping in mind that after those 24 hours, you're going to be a normal person?
Welcome to the Masala Mike podcast.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another episode of the Masala Mike podcast. First of all, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for the amazing support that you have shown on the previous content, whether it be reels or episodes. Without further ado, let's introduce you to the guests that we have today. One is American Pakistani innovation consultant. Number two, we have British Pakistani makeup artist. And we hope we have some insightful content on the line. Let's move ahead without wasting any time. Hey Kiran. Hey Salia.
Hey Shiraz.
First of all, tell me, how was the journey getting to here from Dubai?
Sunny was driving.
Oh yeah, I just kept getting lost. Like I just didn't understand. I was trying to find Sheikh Mohammed bin
It
Zayed.
happens all the time with people coming from Dubai to Ajman, so that's okay.
It was more like it was taking me on Al Khail Road, but I wanted Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, and I just couldn't find it. And I didn't understand. There was no traffic.
Yeah, I'll say that.
So I'll say one thing about it. In Ajman, it's construction happening all the time. So I know that was going to be the issue because previously it was construction in my area where I live. Now it's a construction site in Rashidi, I think. So I knew that was going to happen.
Yeah.
That's okay. Anyways, getting on with it. So suppose if your lives were a book and the first page was the summary, what would the summary be for both of you? Okay, Kiran, you can go first with that one.
Okay. Do we want Urdu vibes or English? Acha. Whenever you start the Urdu, then I'll start the Urdu.
No issues.
Okay.
आप कर सकते हो.
They would say, Meri Urdu, it's dependent on you. I think my book would be, or my summary would be that she definitely lived life to the fullest. She had a bunch of adventures. She loved greatly. She lived greatly. आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं पता कहाँ पे रह रही है किससे love कर रही है, but just she loved greatly and lived greatly. What about you?
Okay.
I think for me, the summary would be like, no one can say I never tried. I tried like 10 different businesses, I feel. Like I tried blogging, I tried YouTube, I tried being an influencer, I tried all of that. But yeah, so no one can say I didn't try. And I think I'm just going to keep trying.
That's good. That's good. You should try new things.
Kim, you can say that in Urdu.
I was going to say Urdu. I was going to say Sabka Crorepati.
Sabka.
Sabka means like because she's
Saab is in the
Sabka मतलब.
means dead, right?
No, Sabka is like previously.
No, sorry, like
sure.
sorry, Marhuma Crorepati.
Marhuma. Okay.
Marhuma millionaire.
Marhuma millionaire.
Yeah.
That's so
Okay. Anyways,
That's in your Instagram.
Yeah, Madhuma. I like that.
anyways, so Kiran, what inspired you to get into innovation consulting?
Yeah, so I moved here because I really, so I got my degree in electrical engineering.
Okay.
And the reason I chose electrical engineering was I'm really fascinated by electricity. I know it's weird, but it's that first invention that got made, and it really reminded me of Harry Potter a lot. So I pretty much like being in like building new things, but I felt like in every field, उसमें यही होता है कि you're kind of doing the old stuff everywhere. Old businesses जिस तरीके से चल रहे हैं, उसी तरह चलाने हैं. Even the softwares, old softwares implement करने हैं. तो innovation में ये है कि you experiment with the new technologies. आजकल AI आया हुआ है. So not every business is getting into AI. There's only a few people that know about it and a few people trying to be like, ये experiment कर लो, वो कर लो.
Okay.
So I wanted to be in those few.
Yeah. So you talked about AI. What do you think it's going to take your job in the future or no? Do you think you have the security कि नहीं मेरी job नहीं ले सकते?
अच्छा आज मैं एक LinkedIn post पढ़ रही थी जिसमें कह रहे हैं कि 2034 तक, it's 2024 now,
ठीक है।
9 to 5 jobs नहीं रहेंगी.
ठीक है।
And I actually think that क्योंकि अब 9 to 5 आधा तो AI मतलब हमारा काम कर रहा है. If you really look at it, even as a consultant, PowerPoint बनानी है,
ठीक है।
AI is doing it for you. Now you just have to sit there and use your mind.
Yeah.
But to some degree, they can think even better than you. They can do the data analysis, all of that.
Okay.
मुझे लगता है कि jobs change करेंगी.
Jobs.
And you have to be really good at whatever craft you're doing.
Yeah, people keep telling me कि नहीं यार you are becoming a software engineer, तुम्हारी job security नहीं है, तुमने future में software engineer बनना है.
मुझे लगता है कि
लेकिन
job security की जगह नहीं है.
हाँ, लेकिन what I think is कि नहीं यार AI cannot totally take your job. See, the thing is AI can do the coding part, but उसको correct हमने करना है, उसको implement हमने करना, final implementation humans नहीं.
Ideas हमने लेके, लेकिन कितनी humans ने करनी है? पहले तो कोई 1000 होते थे, अब बीच में 100 रह गए.
The thing is, you'll become a software engineer. ठीक है, आपने coding नहीं करनी, but उसको operate AI को operate तो आपने ही करना है ना?
Yeah.
Exactly my point. Anyways, getting on to your career, what inspired you to become a makeup artist, Sanya?
I've always liked makeup. Like I think when I was in school, you know, it's just started to become a thing where people started doing YouTube videos, where people started to like, you know,
Yeah.
do their own makeup. It's just all started. Instagram was new at that time, or it wasn't even actually. Did Instagram exist at that time? I don't know.
YouTube, Michelle Fan. Did you ever
Yeah,
watch her?
I did.
Was
So-
she the OG?
I think so. Yeah, yeah. And she made her own store at the end as
Yeah.
well. Yeah. So when I just started seeing that, I was like, oh, I want to do that. That's what I want to do. And I just never been a studying person. I never really got into like the, you know, whole basic studying.
Yeah.
Where your parents want you to be basically. I just
Yeah.
never was that.
You're
So-
creative.
Yeah. So I just wanted to go into makeup artistry, which I did. So I did do it in the end. And then I got my first job in makeup.
Okay. So you're a makeup artist. What do you think about Pakistani beauty standards, complexion-wise?
Ooh.
I mean, it's silly. It's actually
They're like नहीं
What are they हैं क्या?
No.
Pakistani beauty standards आजकल क्या हैं?
beauty standards यही है ना. अब for example आप कहीं जाओगे, for example you went to your aunt's house or anything.
Yeah.
अब मुझे बोलेंगे कि नहीं यार ये इसका तो रंग सांवला सा है तो ये है
Oh.
वो है.
Yeah.
What she said. That's their
Yeah,
advice.
yeah. So, okay, in the UK, that's a thing, by the way. Okay, you will see a lot of like Pakistanis, Indians, Bangladeshis, whoever, South Asian, who are buying makeup that's not their skin tone, for example, because they want to
Okay.
try to be lighter. Okay, everyone does that. I don't know. I haven't been in Pakistan in so long, so I'm not sure how it is exactly in Pakistan right now.
Have you dealt with Pakistanis as such?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, Pakistanis, even if you're like British or American, whoever, but still the standard is there. The lighter skin is more beautiful. So when people are doing makeup, they want to go 2 shades lighter than their skin color, but it doesn't look nice in the end because it goes grey. It doesn't look good. But when you take a white skin tone and you blend it and then, you know, everything goes well together, that's when it looks really good. But they don't understand that. They think that it's making them look darker.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you think it's changing? Sorry, I just
No,
wait,
if
like the
you can go on,
influencers and everything. Like, are we seeing more darker girls now coming, even with makeup artists?
So there is one influencer. I think she's Tamil, and she's so beautiful, and she is one of the darker skin tones. But she does the makeup for her skin tone, and it looks so good. It looks really good on her. But
Yeah.
I haven't seen it in Pakistanis yet. I don't know any Pakistanis who are coming out doing that. So I don't know.
See, what I think is the type of place you are, the type of people you hang out with,
Yeah,
that's
what matters.
Yeah,
That makes a
that's what matters. So I have a funny story regarding this.
Okay.
That happens with me. मैं सोचता था नहीं यार मेरा तो यार डार्क कम्प्लेक्शन है, मुझे फिल्टर यूज करने की जरूरत है.
अच्छा.
For you,
But even लड़कों के साथ भी ये complexion
होता है, लड़कों के साथ भी होता है. नहीं पता है क्या बात ये है कि आपकी सराउंडिंग्स जो है ना आपको बोलती है कि नहीं आप थोड़े से डार्क हो, ये है वो है, मतलब वैसे नहीं बोलेगी.
Yeah.
वैसे मजाक करते हुए यार तुम्हारा तो डार्क है,
Yeah.
काले हो तुम, ये
Yeah.
है वो है. तो उससे बंदे को होता है ना इनसिक्योरिटी पैदा
Yeah,
हो जाती है.
हो जाती
उसकी वजह से यार नहीं मैं पिक्चर पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैंने थोड़ी सी ब्राइटनेस बढ़ानी है, मैंने फिल्टर लगाना है, तो वो चीज़ होती थी. तो ये काफी
feel कि who do you think is the first person that makes you feel that insecurity? घर से आती है या बाहर से आती है?
आई थिंक इट डिपेंड. घर से तो नहीं, घर से इतना नहीं आता, लेकिन ये है कि
the aunties.
रिश्तेदारों से आती है.
They come down.
sometimes ऐसा भी होता है.
They'll see a newborn and be like, "Nahi, is it not good looking?" Or like you know.
That happens.
I've seen that.
Yeah, and I think it depends on the company you choose. Sometimes I had the company that are joking, ठीक है, joking अच्छी है. You have to keep joking with your friends. That's good. That's good for your mental health as well. लेकिन I think कि आपको उस चीज़ को इतना आगे नहीं लेके जाना चाहिए कि दूसरा बंदा insecure हो.
Of course.
Yeah. तो ये चीज़ होती है मेरे साथ.
But do you think ये joke? It's not a joke though, right?
Not a joke, yes.
It's not a joke. They are fighting towards.
I know what you mean, especially जब मैं पाकिस्तान में थी, हम लोग इस तरह मजाक करते थे.
ठीक है.
But now looking back, like now I would never do it with Sunny or vice versa.
Exactly.
Like ये तो racism है.
I
Like
think,
we're at a
I think this comes with maturity.
yeah.
For और अच्छा एक कोई misunderstanding है लोगों में कि if you are 20, for example, you're
Yeah.
not mature. You get into your 25, 26, you'll get more mature. I don't think it matters with age.
Really?
Okay, but maybe...
What about maturity? What do you think?
I think it comes with experience. So the
It
younger
comes
you
with
are...
experience, not with
So
age.
but if you're 20, there's only so much experience that you have until you're 25, no?
Yeah, exactly.
It's person to person. And I think it goes down to your upbringing as well.
But you know, Arjun Rampal just came out with a statement on a podcast, और वो कह रहे थे कि लड़के don't mature as fast as girls. Because he was talking about his first marriage.
I think
Probably
experience.
yours is.
Yeah, I have.
Do you
heard this.
agree with it?
I don't. Not at all. Because I think experiences होते हैं, whether it be a girl, whether it
Yeah.
be a boy. जिस तरह के एक्सपीरियंस होंगे उस हिसाब से आप मैच्योर होगे. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं आई बचपन से तो
Yeah.
आप mature कैसे होगे?
No,
That's the
so
thing.
I have a theory on that.
Okay.
I think if you're the youngest in the family,
I
you
am.
mature. Yes, okay, all three of us are. Yeah, I'm the youngest. Okay, and I'm not mature. Like according to my family, I'm not mature. But my sister, for example, maybe when she was 20, our middle sister especially, when she was 20, she would be mature. You know, but when I'm 20, I wasn't mature. So because it goes down to upbringing, doesn't it? Like then you got
exactly.
treated like the youngest child.
Okay, I'll tell you about me. I'm 23 right now. When I was 18 years old, my family did not discuss much of those issues with me. Like family issues
Yeah.
weren't discussed with me at all. But now I'm 23. My sister discusses her issues with me. My brother does it the same. Like basically, it came with that age. They thought maybe I'm getting on that maturity stage and that. Okay.
The stereotype.
Yeah. Okay. Have you seen the influencers? They're making fake clips and all that thing. What do you think? Influencers जो है time के साथ साथ faker नहीं होते? Is that a good thing?
What do you mean by fake? You mean what they're doing to the face or like the filters and...
All of it. Basically,
Fillers, like-
मतलब जो चीज़ वो नहीं होंगे. For example, ये रेंज रोवर यहाँ पे खड़ी है. मैं रेंज रोवर के साथ पिक्चर लेके पोस्ट करता हूँ तो ये अच्छी लगेगी.
Oh,
They don't want that Range Rover.
yeah.
What do you think?
I think social media is fake anyway.
Social media is
It's
fake.
just fake.
No, do you think it's a good thing or it should be avoided?
I mean, I think it should be avoided as much as possible. Or you take doses,
right?
Yeah, because now if I was now in my early 20s,
Yeah.
okay, or my just my last few years of teens, of being a teenager, I would see all of that. Now it's gonna really mess with my mind, you know.
Yeah.
So it's just gone to a different level
Yeah.
now.
And I think it makes you realize things. मुझे आधे brands का पता ही नहीं था before social media. गाड़ियों का नहीं पता था. गाड़ी है, हम खुश हैं. But now it's like Range Rover होनी चाहिए. वो भी brand new. Which year?
Yeah.
पहले की मेहरान भी आपको रेंज रोवर लगती
हाँ, पहले तो किसी के पास भी गाड़ी है, चल रही है. Let's go. So
है. Exactly.
I do feel like it's made things really complicated. Like सबको complex हो गया. मुझे खुद होता है कि किस तरह, how do you have to look? What are you wearing? What are you posting? And there's this thing where I was reading कि आजकल aesthetic is a thing on your Instagram. You really want aesthetic, but aesthetic is killing pictures. Like I would rather take a picture of these 3 cups than a selfie of the 3 of us
Yeah.
because aesthetic बनती है. But
Aesthetic
then
बन, yeah.
10 साल बाद, what the heck is this going to mean to me? I'd rather
Exactly.
just
There
do
is
it.
no memory.
हाँ, उसमें कोई memory नहीं बनती aesthetic. Like what is this aesthetic?
But there's a positive side of social media
Yeah.
because, like, if you let's say you are a business owner or like you know you are trying to sell a product or you're trying to teach something or actually add some value,
Yeah.
that one is really good. But it depends on how you use it. That if you're just seeing the beautiful girls
think
on
about
social
that,
media, what is that telling me?
Yeah. About that, I really love the highlights thing of the Instagram. What
yeah.
that there is, I did not used to like basically put any stories on stuff.
Okay.
But now recently I have started putting dumps and all that stuff.
Yeah.
What is that gonna do? Basically, I received a reply from a friend who said, "What are you doing? Why are you posting this?"
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, I'm gonna look into my highlights later, like 5 years later, 10 years later.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, this one.
I remember it. Yeah.
I
And that's what I like as well. Because, on Snapchat, you will get that notification that, like,
Yeah.
5 years ago, you did this.
Yeah,
And when I see them, I'm like, oh, wow.
And the streaks, everyone.
Yeah.
People don't talk. They don't like it, but they'll be getting the streaks for years.
You want to do the streaks. You want to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then I also agree with your point about social media where it feels like you can find any opinion. Because I feel like growing up, it was एक ही drama था, एक ही TV channel था, अब वही opinion आ रही है. With social media, you can always find someone that agrees
Difference of
with you.
opinions.
Yeah. Or
Yeah.
someone that's like on your school of thought, which is dangerous, but also you feel validated.
Yeah. Acha, you talked about Snapchat streaks. What do you think? It's a good thing?
Snapchat?
Yeah.
Yeah, streak.
I still like it.
Snapchat streak. Specifically. I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
I think.
I don't have Snapchat anymore because I don't like it. But my cousins back home, shout out to them. They had streaks in there. We were talking once कि हमारे wait, this is a messed up story.
That's okay. You can carry on.
So this one cousin was like, I've had a streak for 3 years, right?
Uh-huh.
So I was like, wait, in this 3 years, your uncle passed away. तो तुमने उस दिन क्या किया था? Or like another aunt passed away. And he was like, it sounded really fucked up, but I was, sorry, I cursed. I was sending the streak. He was like, बहुत बुरा लगता है, लेकिन streak is
Streak नहीं टूटनी चाहिए.
हाँ, streak नहीं टूटनी चाहिए. And this one other cousin was like, मेरी एक दफा streak टूटी, and she emailed Snapchat because
I
it was
knew
that intense. कि
I
streak
agree. I
नहीं
know that makes
टूटनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
So I don't know about that. I don't know about like being at a janazah.
Okay.
Streak is out.
That's commitment.
I used to do streaks, I think, from 2017. I did it for 2 years and then,
Consistently.
yeah, I was doing that. So I had a streak with a friend, I think 991 days, something like that. The person broke the streak. I'm like heartbroken. Nahi yaar, 1000 streak nahi hui meri. I broke all the streaks.
Oh my god.
So what happened? People were like, why you broke it, this and that. ठीक है, मैंने 1 year बाद फिर शुरू कर दी.
Yeah.
अब इसमें क्या हुआ कि मैंने शुरू करके इस बार मैंने 1000 से भी ऊपर लेके गया.
Oh wow. Acha.
So now the same thing happened. One of my relatives, very close,
Yeah.
he was my roommate once,
Oh okay.
and my family he had.
Yeah.
He passed away. I did not send streaks for those few days. कुछ टूट गई थी, कुछ रह गई थी, लेकिन my friend was like, okay, I'll do it. And I think he did it for some days. He took my account. He was like,
Yeah.
don't worry about anything. I'll do it. So he did not want it to like break the streak.
Wow.
So that happened. After that, after some time, I realized until recently, कि हम streaks कर रहे हैं. For example, I have a
Yeah.
streak with you. We are sending streaks to each other. मैं मैसेज कर रहा हूँ आपको, आप रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहे. आप या मैसेज मुझे कर रहे हो, मैं रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा. But streaks हम consistently भेज रहे हैं. Streaks का मतलब क्या है?
Nothing.
Nothing. मैं ये सोच रहा था, I had this misconception before about streaks कि हम streaks रख रहे हैं तो हमारा मतलब communication हो रही है, मतलब पुराने दोस्तों से communicate कर पा रहे हैं, ये है वो है. लेकिन turns out it was all false.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. I think you could try because it's kind of like, you know what we were talking about? So in the Bay, obviously, आपके friends move out करते हैं, people come in, there's an influx and outflux.
ठीक है.
तो हमारी एक mutual friend है जो वो अभी move होके गई है. And I was talking that texting every day is a bit awkward. But if you're sending memes on Instagram, I think that keeps up the friendship. And that's what I use streaks as. Like, even if it's just each other sending memes.
Yeah.
No, I don't know. I don't.
You don't agree?
Yeah, not really.
I used to agree with the part before, but now, like the personality I have, the things
Yeah.
that I have faced, I do not agree. That's what.
So you think you value like deeper conversation
Yeah. I
once
value-
every 3 months versus a streak every day? You know?
the thing is, Snapchat streak आपको रोज आ रही है.
हाँ.
जब आपसे वो बंदा बात ही नहीं कर रहा, आपके
Yeah.
मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा, what's the point?
What's the point?
Yeah, no,
What's the point of that?
Yeah. And no one checks memes.
No one checks. And for memes part, I think
They're both memes.
even ये हमारा बैठा हुआ इसको मैं अक्सर भेज देता हूँ. Once in a while भेज
Yeah.
दी, and once in 2 days भेज दी. We laugh at it. And
Yeah.
ठीक है. अब उसके भी 2 parts हैं. Instagram पे आप memes भेज रहे हो. एक फ्रेंड है जो आपका कंसिस्टेंटली चेक करता है. एक बंदा आपको स्पैम करी जा रहा है. वो
Yeah.
स्पैम आप चेक नहीं कर सकते.
Understand.
So I'm the spammer. That's why we don't read it. That's why we don't check the memes that we send each other.
Yeah.
With time.
So when we meet, like for example with one of that friend, यार तुमने वो मीम देखी थी? नहीं यार मेरा टाइम नहीं मिला, तुमने इतनी ज़्यादा भेजी, मैं कहाँ से देखूँगा?
Yeah.
So that happens. Anyways, so you guys became friends. What did you find surprising about each other's profession?
Profession. Never really thought about it actually.
US.
But no, she works from home. Like, and she just never goes to the office, and she just 24/7 at home. That's crazy.
Just remember that works watching this. So
What do you guys?
You don't need to even tell me that. I remember.
What do you guys prefer about that though?
Like that so I find it crazy that she goes into work. And I know she finds it crazy that I primarily work from home.
I mean, that's a flex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, both know Alexis. So I feel like I actually know a lot about her work, people, her coworkers, her colleagues.
Yeah, you know all the work gossip.
And I feel like I'm always
Yeah.
available for you. Like,
Then
in a weird way.
Yes, and that's why it works.
Yeah.
You know, then you should not be going.
Yeah.
So okay, I don't know if I can say this. We didn't cut it out actually, right? I'm gonna say it because actually,
Yeah,
Like the 1 or 2 times I went to the office.
yes, when they went to Abu Dhabi and Timon lost it. Okay, she sent me a voice message. She goes, "Sunny, can you believe it? I'm taking a lunch break. I'm on a lunch break right now, an hour lunch break. Can you imagine?" And I was just like, "Wow."
Because because I can't, like, what do you mean? Like, there's only 1 hour for me to eat, and then the rest of the time.
Yeah, you're next day in the office. Yeah, you
Yeah.
know, and yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse me. I've seen some of the videos, some of the people who are working in Microsoft and the big companies. They're posting their routine. ये काम कर रहे हैं, वो जाते हैं, फिर वो break पे जाते हैं. I think
Her snack,
they're
her coffee break.
they're just snack break, coffee break.
Yeah.
They're just eating as food the whole
But
day.
you know what? Okay, so I do that at work, right? When I go to work, it's very flexible. So like, I feel like I take a lot of short breaks. So I don't ever end up taking a full hour break because I just don't need to.
Activity.
Yeah. So I work better. Like, why don't I take full 1 hour break? I used to have a job like that, and that was crazy. Where you are so stuck. Like, you know, you have 8 hours. You need to be there for those 8 hours, and you have that 1 hour break, which I think it doesn't work like that.
Okay. I have a think about this one. So my brother, he works from home as well.
Nice.
मतलब basically ज़्यादा online ही है ये. He used to convince me, it's like, start working something. I'm talking about, I think 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I don't remember.
Like COVID era.
COVID era हो गया है जो भी है. मतलब I was just a student.
Yeah.
I wasn't working at all. तो like क्या कर रहे हो यार, कुछ तो करो घर में बैठ के.
Yeah.
So anyways, I tried learning stuff. लेकिन मुझे ये चीजें समझ आती, आप ऑनलाइन एक सर्विस आप दे रहे हो. That's what all the freelancers do, right?
Yeah.
ऑनलाइन सर्विस दे रहे हो कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने अब पोस्ट की है, एक चीज पोस्ट की, मैं ये चीज करता हूँ. आपको जब बंदा कोई कुछ कह ही नहीं रहा
Yeah.
कि आपकी सर्विस ही नहीं मांग रहा, तो आप कैसे करोगे? That's what I love about working from offices, कि आप ऑफिस में बैठे होते हो या फिर आप कहीं बाहर जाते हो, तो एटलीस्ट आप अप्रोच कर सकते हो कि नहीं यार ये मैं सर्विस दे रहा हूँ, you can buy my service, and
Yeah.
I think that way you get more clients.
I think it depends on also personality too. I think some people, I feel like I get a lot done. अगर बहुत काम है मैं घर में आराम.
No, I see. I'm the opposite.
Yeah. And I think a lot of people, they were like, नहीं अब हमने ऑफिस में करना है. I'm like, मैंने अब घर में आराम से, मैंने कभी यहाँ सोफे पे बैठना है, कभी इस तरह बैठना है, उस तरह बैठना है. But in the office, just sitting in one spot working, मुझसे नहीं होता.
I mean, I can't do both. But like, I know that because I've had work from home days before. I don't do anything. I can't.
Okay.
Like, I just can't work like that. I like to be out. I like to talk to people, and I like to just, you know.
Okay. What do you guys feel about the fact, for example, अभी हम यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं या हम कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, तो हम अपनी कंट्री की आइडेंटिटी, मतलब we are carrying that.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about it?
What do you mean?
मतलब basically, if, for example, we all are Pakistani,
Yeah.
we're sitting, and there are other peoples, we're like, यार ये पाकिस्तानी क्या कर रहे हैं? मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम कोई भी मिस्टेक
Yeah.
करें, हम कोई भी अच्छा काम करें, तो हमें लेबल किया जाएगा ये पाकिस्तानी ने किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल
Yeah.
कल अब अरशद नदीम ने
Yes.
he won that gold medal.
The one that you were telling me about.
Yeah. In the car.
Yeah, exactly. So what do you think about that? कि मतलब हम represent कर रहे हैं अपनी country.
Yeah. You want to start?
No, I'm not understanding. So you start so I can understand.
Okay. So I'm waiting for you to start. So I'm trying to think. I know what you're asking. Maybe you start.
Yeah. Like, what do you mean? I'm
Okay,
still,
so basically, अब मैं कहीं भी जा रहा हूँ, मैं यूनिवर्सिटी जा रहा हूँ, इधर उधर मेरी एक इमेज है, नहीं यार ये बंदा पाकिस्तान का है, अब ये कोई भी गलत करेगा तो पाकिस्तानी होते ही ऐसे.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The stereotyping again.
हाँ, तो अब कोई भी मैं अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ, नहीं यार कि पाकिस्तानी में ये बात अच्छी है, ये काम अच्छा करते हैं. So they are labeling me as
Yeah.
Pakistani.
Yeah.
So what do you think about that? कि आप कहीं जाए?
Acha.
You think?
I have an answer. So my answer is I think Pakistanis do that to each other, right? I think until we don't stop doing that, like, oh, you know, for example, that we need to stop saying that, oh, because he's Pakistani, and all of these kind of things.
Yeah.
Once
Yeah.
we stop it, then only other people will not do it.
अच्छा पता है आई वाज वंस टॉकिंग टू दिस रिक्रूटर एंड वो मुझे कह रहे थे कि ये पाकिस्तानी अपनों को आगे नहीं बढ़ने देते.
आप लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ना.
He was Pakistani
That is-
himself. And he was like, आप दूसरे ethnicities देख लो, किसी company में जाओ, like there'll be a mafia, like I'm not going to name companies, but कई Lebanese mafia हो गया, Italian mafia हो गया. I've seen it myself. Indian mafia, बहुत tech तो बहुत है. Like all the like the Microsofts, they all have like CEOs that are Indian.
ठीक है.
Pakistanis अपनों को नीचे करेंगे, दूसरे ethnicities की help करेंगे.
Exactly.
वो कहेंगे यार ये तो बंदा है
Yeah.
अमेरिकन है so
Yeah.
he must be high qualified.
Yes, exactly.
We should help
Yeah.
him grow. And
और अपनों
पाकिस्तानी कोई आ जाए ना कि मास्टर्स की डिग्री के साथ भी आ जाए और we're comparing with the bachelor's degree of American culture.
Yeah.
तो बोलेंगे नहीं आगे.
Yeah, no, I agree. और हम पता नहीं अपनों में competition बहुत करते हैं. Just even from a young age, even within siblings, within everything. Maybe it's a cultural thing too, but I have an extra question on top of that. Being Pakistani in the UK with like the riots happening, do you feel Pakistani there or like,
Yeah.
do you feel more Pakistani there
Yeah.
than here?
Yeah. Because yes, they are targeting Muslims, but if you see on the video, the same Pakis, they're using that word. It's like they don't like South Asian. They just don't. Like these people who are creating the riot. Obviously, everyone.
I feel like no one likes us. Like we don't
Yeah.
even like ourselves.
Yeah.
And then no
I
one
think
likes
I have a reason for that.
I want to hear it.
So this was my next question. लेकिन
Okay.
उससे पहले अब मैं बता दूं कि I read an article few days back.
अच्छा.
पाकिस्तान टाइम्स का आर्टिकल था आई थिंक. वो कहते हैं कि हम पाकिस्तानी जो है कहीं भी जाते हैं यूएई में जाते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल अब उधर गए हैं ईरान में चले गए हैं सऊदी में चले गए हैं जाते हैं हम अपने रिलीजियस एक्टिविटीज के लिए फॉर एग्जांपल सऊदी
हाँ.
या दुबई में हम आए हैं चलो विजिट करने जा रहे हैं
Yeah.
वो बंदे यहाँ पे ही रह जाते हैं ठीक है अब यहाँ पे वो क्या काम करते हैं दे बैक
Yeah.
they do such stuff that humiliates the
Yeah.
identity of Pakistanis. अब उनकी वजह से सारे मतलब हर बंदे पे फिर बैन लगता है ना like for example 10% of Pakistanis are doing that लेकिन effect पूरे 100% पे पड़ रहा है.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
He's 100% को मुश्किल से मिल रहा है.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So what do you think about it कि because of those 10% people's mistake is it fair with the other people कि उनको बैन किया जा रहा है restrict किया जा रहा है.
I have a question on top of that. Why do you think कि हमारे लोग 10% करते हैं? क्या दूसरे मुल्कों के नहीं करते? Do you feel?
दूसरे मुल्कों के करते हैं लेकिन पता है क्या बात यह है कि दूसरे फॉर एग्जांपल इंडिया के वो भी मैंने देखे हैं
मैंने भी
लेकिन उनका थोड़ा सा कम है रेशो हमारा एक्चुअल में 10% नहीं कहीं ज्यादा है 10%.
हाँ, हमारा
मैंने-
बहुत है.
बहुत ज्यादा है क्योंकि आर्टिकल में आई थिंक 50% बता रहा था
Why do you think that is?
I'm telling you,
क्योंकि पता है क्या
you're doing it to yourselves. You know, to
Yeah, you're doing it to
Pakistanis to
yourself.
doing it to Pakistanis. Until we don't stop
Exactly.
doing that, it's not going to
Exactly. So I don't know if I should share this or not. So I work with Amazon. मतलब मेरा काम तो छोटा सा ही है
हाँ.
लेकिन उसमें अब ये है कि चोरी होती है शिपमेंट्स फॉर एग्जांपल अब शिपमेंट चोरी होती है एक मोबाइल है
हाँ,
पाकिस्तानी ने चोरी करके निकाल दिया उधर से उनके पास कैमरास तो होती है
हाँ.
सिक्योरिटी तो सारी होती है
सबने देखे.
सबने देख लिया अब उसकी वजह से वो कहते हैं नहीं पाकिस्तानियों को नहीं रखना हमने एक बार उनकी रिक्रूटमेंट्स जो थी
हाँ.
या हायरिंग थी खुली थी लेकिन उनने बोला था स्पेसिफिकली अब वो मतलब जॉब हायरिंग्स के लिए
हाँ.
नोटिस भेज रहे थे ना एक्सेप्ट पाकिस्तानी
I've seen that. I've seen that.
that happened
Yeah.
just because of that one person's mistake
हाँ.
सारों को मतलब restriction मिल गया.
But that's because, again, it's also like it's easier for them to do it. But like if it was another nationality, even if maybe if it was an Indian, okay, still they wouldn't get that treatment. That would not happen.
But I think it's because then maybe there's other ethnicities on all the verticals. लेकिन हमारे पाकिस्तानी अक्सर सबसे नीचे होते हैं in the food
पता है
chain.
क्या? बात यह है कि पाकिस्तानी जब भी कोई ऐसा काम करते हैं ना वो ये नहीं सोचते अब एक बार उसने शिपमेंट तो चोरी कर ली
हाँ.
उसकी जॉब भी गई
हाँ.
ठीक है उसका मतलब अब फ्यूचर भी सिक्योर नहीं है उसको ये नहीं पता कि मैंने फ्यूचर में कहाँ काम करना
हाँ.
ऑब्वियसली कोई इस तरह की कंपनी आपको बैन करेगी तो मतलब आगे
Yeah.
दूसरों को भी पता चलेगा कि इसलिए ऐसा हुआ है
Yeah.
तो इसलिए ये बंदा बैन हुआ है आपकी फ्यूचर की आप 3-4,000 dirhams की चीज़ के लिए जो कि हो सकता है आपने मंथ में उससे ज़्यादा कमा
Yeah.
उसके लिए आप अपना पूरा आगे जो फ्यूचर है बर्बाद कर
अपना अपने मुल्क का. And I think, you know, your question शायद हम दोनों को थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा हो because it's interesting. इस मुल्क में I don't identify as a Pakistani as much. I identify more as an American. लेकिन अमेरिका में मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And there it's interesting क्योंकि वहाँ पे वही रेसिज्म वाला हो जाता है,
ठीक है।
इस्लामोफोबिया हो जाता है. I think वहाँ पे मुस्लिम आइडेंटिटी ज़्यादा, you know, that's one of the reasons I also moved here, because I wanted to live in a Muslim country.
पाकिस्तान का मतलब पाक means pure, stan means land. Don't you think we are doing opposite of that?
Yeah.
ऐसा मतलब हमें चाहिए कि मतलब उसी चीज़ को हम रिप्रेजेंट करें, लेकिन हम जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, जैसे हमारे कुछ पाकिस्तानी रिप्रेजेंट,
Yeah.
that's the total opposite of that.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Regardless of the religion, ये हमारे मुल्क में भी इतने religions हैं, but I feel like
और रिलीजन की वजह से ही हमारे फ्लैग का जो कलर है, कलर भी डिफरेंस है. वाइट एक मतलब उस दूसरी साइड को दे दिया है, ग्रीन जो है मुस्लिम्स को दे
Yeah.
दिया, तो वो कलरिंग भी हमारे फ्लैग की उसी वजह से.
do you feel like हम लोग पाकिस्तानी religion को blame करके ये सब असर करते हैं? हर चीज religion के नाम
Because, and it's not religion, it's
आपको
culture.
पता है कि पाकिस्तान में ये चीजें हुई हैं. They burned basically, I think they burned a car or a person, I don't know, I don't remember that, but I saw it. हो सकता है दोनों भी हो, लेकिन श्रीलंकन था वो बंदा, वो I think he was a manager in the company or something, but they killed the person just because he was a Hindu.
वो जो recent था,
मतलब क्या हुआ था, बेसिकली कंपनी में कोई चल रहा था, मसला चल रहा था,
हाँ.
तो
blasphemy के नाम पे.
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसे ही हुआ था. कोई मसला चल रहा था, अब फिर वो मसला जो भी मतलब कंपनी का जो लॉस हुआ था वो उस पर ब्लेम डाला, फिर बोला नहीं इसी ने ही किया होगा,
Yeah.
फिर उसको बेचारे को मार दिया.
But do you think it's interesting कि ये भी एक मुस्लिम मुल्क है, लेकिन I've never seen anything in the name of blasphemy here. यहाँ पे how do you feel about
पता
it?
बात क्या है? In Pakistan, government do not have control over their citizens as
Yes.
much these guys have.
Yes.
यहाँ पे कोई भी छोटा सा मसला कर दो ना, और एग्जाम्पल, अब मैं यहाँ से ये यू टर्न नहीं बनता, मैं यहाँ से यू टर्न ले लिया, मुझे फौरन से फाइन आ जाएगा.
हाँ.
पाकिस्तान में ये सिस्टम ही नहीं है. पाकिस्तान में अगर चलो होता भी है, फॉर एग्जांपल अ ट्रैफिक वार्डन स्टॉप्स यू, वो कहता है नहीं यार आपका चालान करेंगे, तो ये हो चुके, मेरे साथ भी हो चुके. मुझे एक बार रोका था, वो स्टोरी में बाद में बताऊंगा, तो कहते हैं नहीं यार चालान करेंगे आपका, ठीक है. तो अब कहता है नहीं यार मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है, ये है वो है, मैंने तो किसी की बाइक लाई हुई है, अपनी बाइक भी नहीं है, ठीक है. अब उसका हुआ ये है कि कहता है चलो ऐसा करो मुझे 100-200 पकड़ा दो, बात खत्म करते हैं यहाँ पे. They do not register that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
जब ये रजिस्टर होना शुरू हो जाएंगी, जब ये सारा सिस्टम सही हो जाएगा, तो ये चीज़ भी खत्म हो जाएगी. मतलब लोगों को डर होगा कि अब हम ये करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, वो डर नहीं है, लोगों में डर नहीं है. अब मैं जो अपनी स्टोरी बता रहा था, मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था. So basically I took my cousin's bike. मैं I think it's 2017 or 2018 की बात है. 2018 में one of my friends, he's a common friend between me and Hamad as well.
अच्छा.
He visited Pakistan. He also lives in Gujarat as me. ठीक है. अब मैं उसको मिलने जा रहा था, रास्ते में वो होता है ना, पुलिस ने नाका वगैरह लगाया होता है जो भी इस तरह,
हाँ.
उस तरह का सीन था. अब तो खैर वो ख़त्म हो चुका है. तो वहाँ पे बाइक ले गया था, बाइक का नंबर प्लेट नहीं था, पता नहीं क्या सीन था, वो मुझे नहीं पता
अच्छा.
ना, मेरे पास पेपर्स थे,
हाँ.
पेपर्स तो कज़न के पास है. बाइक ले गया, उन्होंने मुझे रोक लिया, कहते हैं बाइक बंद करेंगे. मैंने कहा मेरे कज़न की बाइक है यार,
Yeah.
मतलब मेरी अपनी बाइक नहीं, मेरी अपनी होती मैं बंद करके बाद में खुलवा लेता. कहते पेपर्स नहीं. अच्छा, उसने क्या कि मुझे वो चलाने भी नहीं आती मैं बाइक,
हाँ.
तो मतलब आई कैन नॉट कैरी मोर वेट पैसेंजर.
Yeah.
तो अब क्या हुआ, वो मेरे पीछे बैठा, कहता है चलो आगे, इधर उनका ऑफिस है जो भी है, डी
Yeah.
है जो भी है, उसका ऑफिस है या ना का जो भी है, उस तरह से उधर चले. मैं आप चला रहा हूँ, मेरा हैंडल काम रहा है. अब उसमें हुआ क्या कि वो बंदा फिर कहता उतरो एक मिनट, उसे खुद चला गया, उधर ले गया. मुझे कहता है मैं छोटा था, 18 ईयर्स सी मेरी एज, तो कहता है कि बेटा बाइक तो बंद होगी, आपने ज़्यादा आप चले जाओ, आपको हम कुछ नहीं कहेंगे. मैंने तब अपने वो भाई को कॉल मिला, ही इज़ अ डॉक्टर इन पाकिस्तान. मैंने कॉल मिलाई, मैंने कहा ये ऐसा ऐसा सीन है. तो उनने मुझे बोला कि मामू को कॉल करो ना, मामू लगते हैं,
Yeah.
मतलब माय मॉम्स कज़न,
Yeah.
तो उनको कॉल करो, ऐसा ऐसा सीन है. या फिर एक कज़न है उसको कॉल करो. उसको मैंने कज़न को कॉल की, मैंने कहा यार ऐसा ऐसा सीन हो गया, क्या करना है. तो कहता है ठहरो मैं कॉल करता हूँ. फिर मुझे थोड़ी देर में वो अम्मी के जो कज़न है उनकी कॉल आ गई.
अच्छा.
कहते किधर हो, कहते मैं निकल रहा था दूसरी सिटी के लिए निकल रहा, लेकिन मैं आ रहा हूँ, जरिए आ रहा हूँ. उतनी देर में ये है कि आई वॉज ऑल्सो टॉकिंग टू माई मॉम. माई मॉम इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक द पर्सन हु इज ब्रेव, हु
Yeah.
टॉक टू पीपल, हु कैन फाइट फॉर द राइट.
Nice.
ठीक है. तो शी इज लाइक गिव हिम द फोन. तो उनने वो फिर फोन पे, पता नहीं मुझे नहीं पता क्या बात की, लेकिन कहता नहीं वो बहन करके इस तरह, नहीं बहन हम तो नहीं छोड़ सकते इसको भी. तो पेपर्स लाए तो छोड़ देंगे वो। खैर फिर क्या हुआ, अब मैं आपको ये बताता हूँ कि पॉलिटिकल पर्सन को कैसे व्यू करते हैं और नॉर्मल बंदे।
Yeah.
ये तो हो गया नॉर्मल बंदे का।
Yeah.
अब क्या हुआ, थोड़ी देर में जो मेरे मामू, मैं जिनको कह रहा था, या मतलब माय मम्स कजन
Yeah.
व्हाटएवर, वो आ गए। तो हाँ, उसके बाद ये सीन हुआ था कि वो जब आए हैं उसके बाद उन्होंने यहाँ पे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज द प्लेस,
Yeah.
उन्होंने कुर्सियाँ बिछा दी हैं
हाँ।
कि बैठे आप, जी सर आप बैठे बैठे बैठे, चाय मंगाए आपके लिए, हम ये करें आपके लिए। आई वाज थिंकिंग इन माय माइंड, ये थोड़ी देर पहले मेरे साथ तो डिफरेंट थे यार, ये क्या हुआ है? तो एनीवेज दे टॉक्ड अ बिट, और उसके बाद
यही होता
छोड़ दिया मुझे। वो सीन है। व्हाट डू यू थिंक, ये चीज़ अच्छी है या बुरी?
It's very disheartening. उससे अगले का भी दिल चाहता है कि यार या तो मैं यहाँ से निकलूं या मैं कुछ यहाँ पे करूं. Whether it's the quickest way to whatever success is, कि कोई पैसे हो, कोई reputable नाम हो, so you can make it in that country. But it's very disheartening.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
I had a question though. You described your mom as like this independent, yeah, like very fierce. Is that your view of Pakistani women in general? Yeah, what's your view?
It's not in general, लेकिन I
हमने
think-
पाकिस्तानी मर्दों के बारे में बात की है जो reputation यहाँ पे बना रहे हैं चोरियों के.
Yeah, exactly.
What's the reputation of Pakistani women in your eyes?
So the thing is, I think कि पाकिस्तानी जो वुमेन है नॉर्मली ऐसे नहीं है, लेकिन होना पड़ता है आजकल के। डोंट यू थिंक कि होना पड़ता है नहीं ऐसा? आजकल के
लड़ना, like in your masculinity, लड़ना, are you saying
लड़ना,
that?
हाँ, मतलब उस तरह के, मतलब थोड़ा सा सख्त होना पड़ता है।
वो तो होना पड़ता है. वो टाइम के साथ आता है, I think.
टाइम के साथ आता है, लेकिन फॉर एग्जांपल यू वर लिविंग इन पाकिस्तान,
Yeah.
तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, शुरू में आप हो सकते थे वैसे?
You learn from every. I feel कि पाकिस्तान में दो किस्म के हैं. एक, you can either be that really soft-spoken girl and act like कि मुझे नहीं पता कोई आएगा तो वो the damsel in distress, कोई आके मेरी लड़ाइयाँ लड़ेगा. Or after a while when you're like कोई नहीं आ रहा, you have to fight your own battles.
Yeah. हाँ. So ये मतलब जो मेरा पर्सनल व्यू है, I think a woman has to be strong enough if she is living in Pakistan. अगर
अकेले.
regardless of a man or a woman living there, they have to be
Yeah.
strong. कि मतलब उसके बगैर गुजारा नहीं है।
Yeah. Did you see the recent case? You know the work.
Yeah. What's her name? Her name was Samia, wasn't it?
Samia.
Yeah.
The one in
Samia something.
Where was she from?
Multan.
Multan. Have you seen the case of like basically in domestic abuse? Her dad was in the government. I think MP tha, MNA tha, and his daughter, she was killed by her husband
And I think it's bad.
in a really horrific manner. But if rich, all the money in the world, all of that.
This is very saddening, लेकिन ये चीज़ पाकिस्तान में बहुत कॉमन हो चुकी है।
ये बहुत common है.
बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन है ये, मतलब every other day we hear about this.
And पता है हम लोग लड़कियां डिस्कस कर रहे थे. We're like अच्छा domestic abuse होता है, let's just say.
ठीक है।
एक तरीके से होता है. ये इतनी वहशियत से करते हैं कि it's like they hate you. Like गोली, I'm just saying in general, you can cut this out. गोली मारनी है, अगले को मारना है, give them poison, give them गोली मारो. उन्होंने बकायदा उसकी ज़बान काटी, उससे like तुम बहुत
It is disturbing.
or तुम्हें जला देंगे. Like it's very disturbing and like very disgusting ways of how they're killing women or anyone else, like in the way they kill. And I think that comes from like this place of hate or jahalat. I don't.
Is that how dare you?
I think
kind
it's
of thing?
जहालत है ये।
Wait, what does jahalat mean?
Jahalat is ignorance.
Have you seen the show of Sahil Nadeem where he said 98%, I think it's a Islamic related something
अच्छा.
scholar, उसने अच्छा बोला है कि 98% of जो women है वो जाहिल है, ये है वो है। What do you think about this portrayal of women?
As a woman, I want to ask you what you think. हम बेटी हैं, हम जाहिल हैं, or are we the 2%?
The thing is, जहालत जो होती है
हाँ.
वो जेंडर पे नहीं है। वो एक आपको एक मर्द भी जाहिल नजर आ जाएगा, आपको एक औरत भी नजर आ जाएगी। It's not like 98% जाहिल है,
What is the context though? Why did he say that? Like, I mean, what was...
I think it was pure hate. जो मैंने क्लिप देखी है, मैंने सबसे क्लिप देखी, मैंने पूरा नहीं देखा। It's pure hate. अब उसको कहता है ये लड़की, तो ऑडियंस में बैठी
I
है।
saw that and I thought that was such a disrespectful way to talk to a girl. लेकिन पता है जहालत education पे भी नहीं होती. To some degree, maybe this is controversial, I think जहालत एक choice होती है.
जहालत एक choice है।
सबको पता है कि ये झूठ बोलना गलत है, किसी पे इल्जाम लगाना गलत है. you're doing it. You don't need to go to school to learn these things. वो एक choice होती है.
अच्छा अब मैं ना एक आई वॉच पाकिस्तानी ड्रामास
हाँ.
समटाइम्स अब मैं देख रहा हूँ
हाँ, मैं भी देख रही हूँ.
ठीक है कभी मैं कभी तुम के नाम से एक ड्रामा है तो इट्स बेसिकली फहद मुस्तफा अब उसमें क्या है फहद मुस्तफा का बड़ा भाई ही इज अ वेरी एजुकेटेड पर्सन ये हालत अब इसमें पोर्ट्रे करने की है वो एजुकेटेड पर्सन है और अच्छी जॉब कर रहा है ये कर रहा है अब वो मतलब लड़की को ऑन स्पॉट छोड़ के जा रहा है लेकिन उसका छोटा भाई जिसके पास डिग्री नहीं है फहद मुस्तफा ही कम्स इन टू रेस्क्यू एंड स्टफ मतलब वही बात है कि डिग्री पे नहीं होती जहाज
हाँ. I agree, but then you know what really annoys me about these dramas? कि end में ये क्यों होता है कि someone has to वो उस लड़की को छोड़ा. Imagine if then the story was just about the girl and how she found herself, which is the story of the queen. But it has to be like कोई इससे आगे.
It has to be the man.
Yeah, कोई इससे शादी करे वरना इससे इज्जत नहीं रह जाती.
That's
I think that was also portrayed.
Yeah.
is again how that's how Pakistanis portray themselves. They show us the world. They want the world to see this.
It's still like in British Pakistan.
Yeah, British is another level. I mean, like, you know,
I agree.
yes. I mean,
about this?
yeah. So, no, Pakistanis in the UK versus the Pakistanis here so different.
So different.
Okay, so different. Like in the maybe it's because of freedom of speech, right? So in the UK, everyone is so close-minded, so backward. Everything's like haram. This is not allowed. That's not allowed. And it's Pakistanis who are doing that.
Yeah.
You know, and it's just a thing over there. Like it's really weird. But
Yeah.
here, the Pakistanis that have been born and raised over here, or who have been living here for quite some time from Pakistan,
Yeah.
very open-minded, very different.
I agree. And I think we were discussing this because I think one of my shocks was being friends with a lot of British Pakistanis here. America mein jo American Pakistani hai. Interracial marriages, you're living in an American society, somewhat wo pakadna hota hai. And interracial marriages is within Muslims, like in, you know, you're marrying different ethnicities, whatever. Like in British mein, just like keh rahe the, you guys
So,
all married.
and it's again because your own people will hate on you. So I know one person, and I will never forget when this person said this. She said that like, oh, that girl is going to marry a white guy, and she's only doing that to show off. And I was like, how dare you say that? How could you say that?
So
you know,
he thinks just to show off, she will choose a life partner.
yeah.
Which is a big
Yeah, because I'm marrying a white guy. I'm doing something different. I'm doing something out of the ordinary.
Wait, but is that considered good or bad?
It's just why is that an opinion?
वही बात है वही जहाज चाहिए
I mean, like, okay, you're Muslim, you're gonna marry another Muslim.
Yeah.
And that's the story.
and
Where
that's
is
That's
your
not a story.
Yeah.
अगर I think as a Muslim ये मैटर करता है कि अगर दूसरा बंदा मुस्लिम है तो that's okay.
I think, like,
Not
you know,
at all, no problem.
I understand that you want to marry someone from your culture because they understand it.
Yeah.
That's a different reason. But when they say that, they're just doing it to show off or
I don't-
whatever.
I don't-
It's like, I don't understand.
Yeah, I don't agree to the part that you have to marry someone of your culture.
No.
No, you don't have to know.
You don't have to because
That is a preference, it's a choice.
the thing is आपकी understanding जिसके साथ match हो जाए.
I think वो उस समय बड़ी वो ज्यादती होती थी when the guys would be in England और वो लड़कियां मतलब कोई जो भी cousins बेशक वो गांव से ले आते थे, there was like absolutely no understanding and they'd be so mean to those girls and like vice versa, the girls would be like हम कहाँ आ गए हैं, but you know apparently we'd married up and I just think like there's so many generations that went through that.
Yeah, that you're
And
right.
it still happens in the
Yeah,
UK
they
as
still
well.
bring even in the UK. Sorry, I'm talking about like female murders, but in the UK, remember that lawyer?
Yeah, what was that? It was that
Scottish.
in Scotland.
Scotland Pakistani lawyer marries the Jahalat guy. He was very threatened by her career.
I think she got killed, right?
हाँ, उसको से
Yeah,
I remember that.
pregnant बीवी को cliff से बस thing.
Time दिया सब.
It really amazes me when I read these. I'm like, what level do you have to be at when you're?
I have a question for that. Though. Do you think it's because of the way the moms raise their sons?
Yeah,
And I don't know.
It is probably that because
The son is wow. Like the son is everything.
Yeah.
no matter
The son can never be wrong.
yeah.
See, no matter the amount of hate I'll have for a person, I'll never go on to the spot कि नहीं मैंने इसके कत्ल कर देना. मतलब बोलने को तो चलो बंदा
You're not gonna sit there.
बोलने को भी
And
अब
say,
अजीब
somebody
लगता
to
है.
go
बोलने
for
को ये अजीब लगता है क्योंकि आप ये बोलोगे भी ना.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे तो चलो बोलोगे भी you're in the jail next day.
Yeah.
ये होगा.
Yeah, ये होगा.
लेकिन ये पाकिस्तान में ये होता नहीं है.
हाँ.
This is the reason कि killings होती है.
Yeah.
पाकिस्तान हो गया, यूके हो गया.
हाँ.
आप आराम से धमका सकते थे नहीं मैंने तेरा कत्ल कर देने.
Yeah. और घर वालों ने माफ कर देना है.
घर वालों ने माफ कर देना.
But you see Pakistani dramas, when you see the moms portrayed as these controlling mothers, do you think that's how your mom or the modern Pakistani mom is?
I don't think so. My mom, my dad have given me enough freedom कि बेटा आप जो कर रहे हो आप करो. लेकिन ये है कि अपने प्रिंसिपल्स आपने नहीं बोलना है. और मतलब आप अपनी जो चीजें हैं ना
Yeah.
आपने सीधी रखनी है, जब तक आप सही कर रहे हो हम आपको रोकेंगे नहीं,
अच्छा.
जहाँ पे आप गलत हो वहाँ पे हमारा फर्ज बनता है आपको समझाना. I think it's
Which fair.
But you're not emotionally controlled by them.
yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay. So you guys, you are a British Pakistani, you are American Pakistani. How do you differ like between those? Like जो है British Pakistani कैसे different होते हैं American?
Oh, you answer this one because I feel like you have a lot to say.
I think British Pakistanis are from our 1970s Pakistanis. I think there's 2023 Pakistanis, jo 24 jo wahan pe reh rahe hain. Then we have a time capsule which is in England, jo 1970s ki mindset se hain. And then I think Americans.
Can you give the example of that girl who said not allowed dogs follow the family? And you really can't believe that.
We're gonna move friends.
No, it's a good sense.
We were on a I mean,
You just hope and pray they don't want you.
We was out and it was like a party.
yeah, it's
Okay.
all of us friends. We're on a boat party, yacht party, yacht pe jo yacht party hoti hai. But it was a very chill party. I think like we had desi songs on or whatever. So all the girls were just dancing and not even like dancing or whatever. We're just dancing.
It sounds like normal. Actually.
Normal dancing, like, you know, jo mehndi ho hoti. It was very like a mehndi.
Yeah.
We had desi songs playing.
Yeah.
So one of our friends grabbed her friend. She's like, "Oh, aajao hamare saath." A British girl, "Aajao, like come dance with us." She's like, "Nahi, hamare khandaan ki ladkiyan dance nahi karti."
But then my family don't do that.
But like, हमारी फैमिली का यहाँ कौन बैठा हुआ है? तुम दोस्तों के साथ हो. Like, what does that mean? कि आप, so the girl was like, तो मेरी फैमिली की लड़कियाँ क्या है? Like, what are you trying to say by that?
So I'll tell you this. I think कि मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा restricting है ये चीज़. और आप जब दोस्तों के साथ है, for example, you're with your friends,
Yeah.
ये बाउंड्री नहीं होनी चाहिए. दोस्तों में ये बाउंड्री नहीं होनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट. ये अब चलो you're having fun, that's not
Yeah.
private. ठीक है, पब्लिक लेवल पे समझ आता है कि आप नहीं करना चाहते, that's okay, understandable. But when you're with friends, you should.
I also think there's a way, like, if you don't want to dance, no, I'm not comfortable, or nahi, that's,
वो बोल सकते थे हम ये नहीं कह सकते.
Haram hai.
but what is,
It's like in those friends,
हमारी family
they're both competing, right? You want to look like the most, I don't know what.
like, mera khandaan ye hai. But then it's weird because we don't, I think in America, you know, it's actually considered insulting in America because I remember this was a topic of conversation in university to ask aapki caste kaun si hai, aap Malik hain, aap ye hain, what. It's considered very insulting. But in England, I think
Surprising.
I personally never experienced
That's
that.
surprising. You said Malik because I'm also a Malik.
Yeah.
that's why.
So I don't know what I am, okay? So I really don't know.
And it doesn't matter.
I really don't know.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
asked,
Yeah.
when someone asked me, I was like, huh? What are you talking about? I really don't know.
That's a red flag if someone asks. What's a red flag for you?
What's a red flag? I think I'll have to put a lot of thought into it. लेकिन red flag generally है. अब red flag ये नहीं है कि मेरे लिए कि ये दूसरी कास्ट के red flag हो.
Yeah.
For me, a red flag is if a person does not understand my view. For example, you give your view,
Yeah.
but you do not listen to mine. That's
No.
a red flag.
Huh?
You don't agree?
No. I mean, like, what do you mean? That,
See, the thing is,
Accept the view, right? You're
okay,
you should accept the view.
No, what do you mean accept the view?
the thing
I
is,
don't-
for example, no, it's not like that. It's not like that. For example, there is something. If I say this TV is good and ये भी है, आप बोलो नहीं ये तो ऐसा है, ये तो वैसा है,
हाँ.
लेकिन रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए ना.
Okay, I understand now. Yeah.
हम क्या करते हैं, हम किसी से आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं, जो
Debate all the time.
रिस्पेक्ट का एलिमेंट
Yeah,
रिस्पेक्ट का एलिमेंट हमेशा रहना चाहिए.
Yeah, I
जो मर्जी हो. अब मेरा एक I remember we were sitting at a Rahat with some friends.
Rahat Bakery?
Rahat Bakery, ठीक है.
They have one?
Yeah, they have it at one. Okay, I was sitting at Rahat with some friends. I had some conflicts, and
Gotcha.
he was a mediator in that. और अब चल रहा है, अच्छा वेटर आया है ऑर्डर लेके, ठीक है.
अच्छा.
तो मेरी attention span सारा उधर वेटर के ऊपर चला गया.
हाँ.
Waiter got the wrong order,
हाँ.
and I'm like, यार यहाँ पे ये लाए हो, वो लाए हो.
हाँ.
तो मुझे तो ये नहीं चाहिए, मैंने दूसरा ऑर्डर किया था. अब वो बंदा he thought that's disrespectful कि मैं वेटर से बात कर रहा हूँ, उससे बात नहीं कर रहा. मेरे साथ उस चीज़ पे लड़ना शुरू. And I think I'm a high-tempered person, तो मैं भी ऊपर से शुरू हो गया.
Yeah.
तो it was like public और मतलब इस तरह का
हाँ.
thing था. तो ये है कि
Respect is important.
respect is important, whether के waiter खड़ा हुआ है
हाँ.
या आप respect एक
बात करने का तरीका.
बात करने का तरीका आपका बदलना नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो आप फॉर ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स है मेरे हिसाब से कि आप वेटर खड़ा हुआ है, ये वेटर ये लेके
हाँ.
ये गलत है.
ये गलत है. I agree. Do you feel कि यहाँ पे ज्यादा होता है या पाकिस्तान में?
पाकिस्तान में बहुत ज्यादा होता है.
पाकिस्तान में बहुत ज्यादा.
लेकिन अक्सर ये भी होता है कि अब मैं तो होता हूँ, मैं अपने भाई की तरह ट्रीट करता हूँ वेटर
हाँ.
को. भाई यार ये आप ये ले आए जरा, बस ठीक, वो भी आगे से फिर रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। सी आप जिस तरह की रिस्पेक्ट दोगे ना इस तरह के बंदे को, लोअर लेवल के जो है लोअर क्लास के, उनको आप जैसी रिस्पेक्ट दोगे तो आप रिटर्न में देंगे। उनका क्या मजबूरी, उनकी तो मजबूरी है ना, लेकिन वो खुश होके देंगे।
इन द सेंस ऑफ कि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आप थोड़ी अगर नरमी से बात करेंगे तो अगला कहेगा ये पागल है तो मैं इसे लूटता हूँ। एंड आई फील कि ये मेरे साथ बहुत हो चुका है यहाँ पे, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू द कार. I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna dedicate a 3-minute thing to my car.
I can relate a lot to car.
Yeah, वो मैकेनिक देखते हैं अकेली लड़की है, बड़ी अच्छे तरीके से बात कर रही है, अब मैं क्या गालियां देने शुरू करूँ so he gets scared, और मैं गिरेबान से पकड़ूं, like what am I meant to do, मुक्का मारूं. So
They take advantage of it.
yeah, they take advantage. I feel my mom and my dad have always said कि कोई there are moments कि जब सख्त लहजे से बात करनी पड़ती है.
There are moments, yes.
I don't know if I can, but I don't know कि अगले इज्जत दो तो इज्जत लोगे. मैं तो ऐसे भी देखता हूँ.
वो पाकिस्तानी जो भी प्रोफेशन में हो ना, उनका यही है, उन्हें पता है कि इस बंदे को इतनी नॉलेज नहीं है,
हाँ.
तो आप इससे दूर से।
हाँ, ऐसे लूट.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब मुझे पता है कि मेरी गाड़ी का इंजन 4000 के अंदर चेंज होकर सारा कुछ फिट हो जाएगा,
Yeah.
सही। तो उन्हें ये हो गया यार इस बंदे को तो नॉलेज है, इस बंदे को कुछ नहीं कह सकते।
मुझे 10,000 के दे देंगे.
वही बात है ना। अब मैंने बंदे वो भी देखे हैं कि सेम गाड़ी का इंजन उन्हें चेंज किया 7-7 हज़ार में।
हाँ.
और आई वाज आर्ग्यूइंग विद वन ऑफ म्यूचुअल कि वो मुझे कहता है नहीं गियर बॉक्स गाड़ी कहते हैं, मैंने कहा नहीं मुझे तो इतने में मिलता है, तुम्हें कहाँ से इतने में मिलता है? वो मुझे कहता तुम पागल हो यार, तुम्हें इतना सस्ता कहाँ से मिल रहा है? होता ही नहीं गाड़ी। मैंने कहा होता है यार, आप मेरे साथ चलो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ।
Yeah.
इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर नॉलेज। अगर आप मुझे पता है ना, स्पेशली पाकिस्तानी,
Yeah.
सैडली, कि पाकिस्तानी को अगर पता चल के ना इसको नॉलेज नहीं है, तो अब हमारा मतलब मौका
हाँ, बस मौका मिल गया. हाँ.
आई थिंक वो
पाकिस्तान थिंक कि ईमानदारी किधर गई है.
ईमानदारी नहीं है। I don't think that's halal. I'm not sure if it is religiously or not, but I don't think that's halal कि आप
You're scamming people.
Scam.
Yeah, so
Scamming. मतलब एक थोड़ा मुनाफा बनाना है, सबने बनाना है, that's fine, लेकिन स्कैम करने की जरूरत.
स्कैम करने की जरूरत नहीं। वही आप बंदे को ये भी, मुझे अक्सर ये बंदे बोलते हैं भाई मुझे ये इतने का, मैं फॉर एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ यार मैं बार्गेन कर रहा हूँ 3000 का यार 3000 का मुझे पड़ा, मुझे तो कोई प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए। फिर बाकी मैं समझा ठीक है यार,
Yeah.
आपको इतने का पड़ रहा है तो आप सारी बातें मैं आपको
Yeah.
नहीं करना चाहूँगा।
ना नुकसान पे देंगे.
no, but isn't that business though? That like you're gonna buy a product cheap and then you're gonna sell it for more expensive.
That is business, but for example, मार्केट रेट्स की जितनी है, मार्केट रेट से आप कितना ऊपर बेचोगे?
Yeah.
इतना ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं बेचना चाहिए। I don't think
Okay, no, I disagree. Yeah, I disagree. Yeah. I think like it's like when you go to a market, right?
yeah.
It's different prices. You're gonna pretty much judge the people that you're selling it to.
No, but then that's the same thing as scamming, right? So you'd rather, let's just say you're in a market and you see a white guy, you're like, ooh, I can sell this $10 thing to him for 40, but to the Pakistani, I gotta sell it for 15.
Yeah.
But I agree, because when it's reverse scamming, I'm with it. But when I'm getting scammed in the car,
No, but I don't think
True,
no,
that's
this,
fine.
okay, the car is because
it's the same thing, essentially.
I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's the same thing.
Yeah, understand. Okay, you were talking about parenting a while back. So, what do you think? What do you prefer, Western parenting or Pakistani parenting?
What do you prefer?
Isn't it the same?
It's
No.
It's not.
What's the difference? You would explain the difference.
Yeah, what's the difference?
I think कि जो मैंने देखा है मूवीज वगैरह में देखा है या वैसे भी देखा है कि वेस्टर्न पेरेंटिंग में ये चीज होती है कि जो कर रहा है इसको करने दो।
Yeah.
18 के बाद इसको हमने घर से निकाल दिया।
No, that's not true.
हमने इसमें देखा है।
Huh.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
okay. So that's the thing. It goes back to that culture in the UK. The British Pakistani culture in the UK is very backward-minded. There's no such thing. You stay with your parents for months. Yeah. And I'm
They're just portraying. They're just portraying that in the movie.
yes,
That's-
it goes to your society and the society that you're around.
लेकिन I think पाकिस्तानी साइड पे थोड़ी सी स्ट्रिक्टनेस ज्यादा है।
Which side?
पाकिस्तानी पेरेंटिंग स्टाइल में थोड़ी सी स्ट्रिक्टनेस है ज्यादा है।
Do you think strictness is good?
If you're in Pakistan, then it's probably strict because that's how everyone is. That's the norm, you know. In Dubai, I don't think it's the norm. So you wouldn't. So I'll give my parents an example. When I was in the UK, I don't know. We'll decide if we want to upload this, but they were very strict. Very strict. I can't wear this. I can't go here. I can't do this. I can't do anything. The minute I come to Dubai, everything changed. They changed the way they think themselves.
You know why that happens?
The people around, right?
Yeah, that's because of the people around. That
Yeah.
The society.
उन्हें पता है कि वहाँ पे सेफ्टी नहीं है।
Yeah,
वहाँ पे
yeah.
safety नहीं है।
That's so true.
यहाँ पे आप आई थिंक रात को 10 बजे अकेले हो, 12 बजे अकेले हो, 2 बजे अकेले, कोई मसला नहीं है। वहाँ पे 10 बज जाए अकेले, या फिर मैं और एग्जाम्पल मैं अपना बताता हूँ, मैं अगर बाहर गया हूँ ना, माई पेरेंट्स वुड बी वरीड कि कहाँ पे मुझे कॉल्स पे कॉल हो जाएंगे, किधर हो, 10 बज गए, घर आओ। ये बाहर नहीं रह सकते आप इतनी देर। That's the thing, यहाँ पे ये चीज़ नहीं है। यहाँ पे ठीक है, they are worried, they call you to check, और मैं बताऊँ मैं इतनी देर
But they're not concerned.
They're not.
they know कि यहाँ पे कोई मसला नहीं है।
Most likely everything's good.
Most likely everything.
That's true.
Pakistan, there is no safety.
Yeah, even all the Western countries. But do you think that's so sad? कि ये bare minimum होना चाहिए एक society में कि it's safe.
Yeah. I think it's because of our corrupt management or government. मतलब corruption इतनी ज़्यादा है, अब मुझे नहीं पता what you support, so I'm not talking, not going to that part.
Okay.
लेकिन corruption इतनी ज़्यादा होती है, जो भी आता है वो अपने बारे में पहले सोचता है, मुल्क के बारे में बाद में सोचता है।
Agreed.
मतलब होना तो यही चाहिए ना। अब आई थिंक इमरान खान था, वो अपनी इवन सैलरी लेता था नहीं लेता वो मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन वो कहता था कि मैंने पहले मुल्क को देखना है, आई एम सीइंग द कंट्री फर्स्ट एंड देन बाद में देखी जाएगी जो भी होगा।
Yeah.
अब कोई भी दूसरा आता है या फिर पहले जो पास में आए काफी, they have thought about themselves.
Yeah.
So you can see how high petrol prices are in Pakistan. I mean, they're high here as well.
Yeah.
In Pakistan, they are higher because
Yeah.
our government is corrupt. They're not working on all these things. Safety में नहीं काम कर रहे।
हाँ.
वो अगर करेंगे,
हालांकि वो वही चीजें सीख करें तभी वो इन मुल्कों में आते हैं। लाइक उनके बच्चे इधर ही हैं।
अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, ये अभी ये जो हमारी प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट है, कहाँ पे है सारे बाकी उनके बच्चे कहाँ पे हैं?
यही
They are in London.
हाँ.
वो लंदन में सारे अपने बच्चों को रख रहे हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें भी पता है कि पाकिस्तान सेफ नहीं है।
Yeah.
They can't keep their kids in Pakistan. जब वो अपने बच्चों को नहीं रख रहे तो आप बाकियों का सोचें। That's the thing.
Question: how do you feel about the burger budget? And the reason then burger budget.
They're the butchers.
So the reason I asked that is you'll understand what it means. In Pakistan में when you like those people, let's just say जो अपने बच्चों को लंदन में लेके जाते हैं, उन्हें it's because it's not safe and then their kids can't grow. If your kids are always with security or they're always just hanging out with 2 or 3 people, your kids won't grow. And Pakistan's a very unsafe society. So how do you feel about that demographic of men that are coming up?
So the thing is, you talked about burger बच्चे।
Yeah.
अब ये why does that happen? Because उनके घर में restrictions इतनी ज़्यादा है कि आपने इससे नहीं, for example, अब you are 2 people. My mom will be like आपने किरण से नहीं मिलना, लेकिन you can talk to Sania.
Yeah.
ये चीज़ होगी।
Yeah.
मतलब एक जो है कल्चर है उससे आपको दूर रखेंगे, उसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा वो बंदे का माइंड होता है ना, थोड़ा सा दबा रहता है। तो वो चीज़ होती है, उसकी वजह से फिर इन्हें ये जोक बता दिया है बर्गर बच्चों का
Yeah.
कि यार ये बर्गर बच्चा ये तो हमसे बात नहीं करता।
Yeah.
ये उन लोगों ने
क्या पता जिंदगी के बारे में?
क्या बता। आई थिंक कि पेरेंट्स को चाहिए कि बच्चों को एक्सप्लोर करने दें।
But how? In a country like Pakistan, it's very dangerous.
It is dangerous. लेकिन ये the thing is कि बर्गर बच्चों का जो आपने वो बात की थी, बर्गर बच्चों का यही सीन होता है कि उन्हें मतलब अपनी सराउंडिंग्स के को ये मतलब एक्सप्लोर नहीं करने। सराउंडिंग्स तो चलो ये देखो ये वो वाला कोना है, ये इधर तो हमारी नजर में हम देख सकते हैं क्या है, तो they can explore till that ना, उधर तक एक्सप्लोर करने ही नहीं दे रहे।
Yeah. वो
कहाँ से पता चलेगा
करने दे रहे।
दुनिया क्या है? मतलब फिर बाद में पता है क्या लेवल हो जाता है उस तरह के इंसान पे, वो बड़ा होता है उसके लेवल हो जाता है, यार इसको नहीं पता, इसको कोई भी मतलब कुछ भी कह जाए, कुछ नहीं
Yeah. इसे कुछ नहीं पता.
दुनिया के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता।
Yeah.
मतलब इवन पेरेंट्स बात करते हैं,
Yeah.
हमारे बच्चे को तो दुनियादारी के बारे में पता ही नहीं है,
Yeah.
ये है वो है, इस तरह की बात होती है उसमें।
But like when you're 50, 40, that's not a good look anymore.
That's not a good look anymore. Okay, so I have a question. For example, we have talked about Pakistani government, corruption, and safety. You have 24 hours. You are the Prime Minister of Pakistan. What would you change, keeping in mind that after those 24 hours, you're going to be a normal person?
It's a good one. So we can change any law, anything?
Anything. You have 24 hours. After 24 hours, you're just like me, a normal person.
Okay, I think I would add like a benefit scheme.
Okay.
There should be some kind of benefits for those who don't work, like pensions. I don't know if they,
Yeah.
again, I don't know what's over there now. or like it should be very strict. There should be a thing where like, you know, they can get some money.
But don't you think adding such a scheme in a country like Pakistan, many will take like advantage of that?
They take advantage of it in the other countries too. So
Yeah.
let them take advantage of Pakistan.
Yeah. They obviously need it if they're
Yeah.
taking it.
They do need it. I
Yeah,
think the
they
poverty
should.
in the country, they need
Yeah.
For
it.
the older, you know, you got really old people, you got
Yeah.
like people who just don't get jobs because they can't get jobs.
Yeah.
At least to get some kind of benefit. Like as single mothers, for example, as you get like, there is obviously in the UK, that's why people like to go to the UK because you get all of these benefits.
True.
Okay. What is the biggest life lesson you have got till now?
Doesn't matter what happens, but life goes on. I don't know.
Life goes on.
It's something, yeah, but you know, I could have a problem today. No one cares. Reality is the world is moving on with their life. Like I can only, you know, take care of that.
Yeah.
I feel like now I've really come to terms with my mortality, and I feel like really truly learn that. Like,
Yeah, yes.
Not bad.
Like, we always knew that,
Yes.
but like I think as you age,
I mean, you can't.
yeah,
You
maybe
can't-
you
that's
haven't felt it
gonna
yet.
happen.
But like now it's like
think I have.
"Aaj marna hai, aaj marna hai, lekin marna hai." So you just have to live your life with that.
Yeah, exactly. I think I have felt it before
Yeah.
because I think there have been quite some deaths in the family in 2023. So, matlab, close one thing, my nano passed away, my brother-in-law passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He was very close to me. Like, जो roommate की बात की थी, वो उनके बारे में बात कर रहा था. मतलब यहाँ पे रहते थे तो अक्सर roommate and all that stuff. तो मैंने उस चीज़ से फील किया यार ये लोग चले गए हैं तो हमने भी एक दिन जाना है. तो मैंने ये चीज़ फील की है.
I just feel like we're here for such a short amount of time.
शॉर्ट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम वो ये नहीं हमें ये है कि हमने रहना है 40 साल रह देंगे
Yeah.
50 साल रह देंगे ये 40 साल 50 साल एक्चुअल में एक दो दिन की तरह है
एक दो दिन ही होते हैं.
वो इन्हें ये गुजर गए तो उसके बाद आपने अपनी नेक्स्ट लाइफ
Yeah.
विच इज द रियलिटी ऑफ एवरीथिंग वहाँ रहना है
Yeah.
एनीवेज आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट कर लिया है तो मतलब I mean, it was a conversation that I would that is worth listening again and again. तो anyways अब थोड़ा सा फन पार्ट पे आते हैं. बहुत गवर्नमेंट की बातें कर ली हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा ही करप्शन की बात कर ली है जो भी है सीरियस चीज़ें बेसिकली बात कर ली. Now we're coming to the fun part,
Amazing.
the rapid fire question. Let me just get some questions. Okay, anyways, this is the rapid fire round. So the first question is early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Early bird.
Early bird. Okay. Online shopping or in-store shopping?
In store.
Both.
Both. Biryani or pizza?
Biryani.
Biryani.
ये controversial जाने वाला है. Okay. Smartphone or laptop?
Smartphone.
Oh, smartphone.
You're rubbish at this. You better be fast.
Okay.
Okay, wait, you go first and I'll go second.
No, you just have to be fast.
Okay, so we go
Yeah.
at the same
Yeah.
time.
Okay. Yes. Same time. Working from home or office?
Home.
Okay. Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Tea.
Asian parenting or Western parenting?
Asian.
Asian parenting.
Asian parenting. Anyways, this was the rapid fire round. I know छोटा था लेकिन
That was good.
time
you feel
constraint की
won?
वजह से.
Who do you feel won between the two of us?
I think it was a fair game because
definitely
लेकिन
was.
I
That's what I was trying to
I
say.
felt like your answers were more quicker.
Yes.
No, he just talks louder.
No,
so
no,
it's
no, no,
real
no. I
quick.
was just quick. I just listened and I just went straight into it.
Okay.
You needed a
Anyways,
minute.
we're heading towards our final segment, which is the Masala community questions.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
We've got questions from our followers, friends that watch the podcast. They have some questions for both of you.
Okay.
I'll just get on with the questions. Okay. Any challenging, this is for both of you. Any challenging phase they went through and how did they cope?
You go first.
Challenge phase and how did I cope? I have to think about it.
Like what's scam?
No, never. Absolutely not.
For example, in a business, there's a loss and
I
go
can
be up.
go. So I'm
I'm
going.
through a really challenging phase right now with my car. And the way I'm coping is that usually every day I reach a breaking point and then I just stop. And then the next day I'm like, okay, I'm going to relook at the problem again from a fresh perspective the next morning.
All right.
How do you do it? You think about it all.
No, so, okay, obviously there's
That's
been
me,
challenges.
overthinker.
No,
Yeah.
I'm an underthinker.
Now, obviously there's been challenges, but, you know, you're going to, I don't know how to explain it.
De-stress.
In that moment, yeah. But then you get over it at some point.
मतलब at the moment you stress and बाद में नहीं है, छोड़ दो जाने
Yeah,
दो
exactly.
हो गया.
Like, I mean, you can't do anything. It is what it is.
Okay. Okay, Kiran, this one is for you. What advice would you give to someone looking to break into the field of innovation consulting?
I would say follow the news and see what's going on, especially in the startup world. I think that there's a lot of companies doing more interesting work there than your bigger firms. And then start reaching out to those people on LinkedIn. LinkedIn's your best friend.
Okay. All right. Okay. So third one is for you. How do you incorporate cultural and ethnic diversity into your makeup work?
I'd follow what the client wants. So if they want 2 shades lighter, they want it. If they want 2 shades darker, they want it. You will advise on what you think is going to suit them, but in the end, they pretty much usually are stubborn on what they want.
Okay. You work as a makeup artist. What's your biggest pet peeve in the industry?
When some clients, they would have bad breath or something, and you're just so in their face, and you can't do anything about it.
That's understandable.
Yeah, that's
That
just you really can't do anything about it.
Okay. When it's working all and fine for you, Kiran. Okay. When it's working all fine, everything is good, and we are into a slump and can't solve anything, how do you strategize and tackle that?
It's the same thing where I take multiple breaks in life, even, but all the time. So you have to take a break and you have to approach, you know what I do? One question I always ask myself whenever I'm in a challenging situation is, what does success look like? Even if it's a hard conversation with your friend, what is one thing that would be successful if I even just do this, or if I say this in the conversation? So just ask yourself that.
Okay. Okay. Sania, what's the one beauty trend you would like to change?
Be trend to change.
That you hate.
You see a lot of these like influencers doing like this over contouring with like a bunch
I
of
think
like,
I knew
either
that
shoes or they
answer
do
already.
phones or something. And that's just pathetic and silly.
Okay. This one is again for you. How do you approach the idea of beauty standards and their impact on self-esteem?
How do what I think of it? Yeah, I think it is very easy to lose your confidence because of these beauty standards. But at the end of the day, you are who you are, who you are. Your skin color is your skin color. Your structure, everything, it is who you are. But that's what makes you.
Exactly.
That is who you are.
Exactly. When the makeup goes off, it's
It's
you
at the
again.
end. Yeah,
It's you
it's
again.
your face. It's your.
Yeah, exactly.
Nothing's
So
gonna
I
change.
I don't think we have to hide it.
No,
Whatever
you should
it
definitely
is.
not hide it.
Yeah, exactly.
There's
What
nothing wrong with using makeup, or to be honest, I don't think there's anything wrong with getting fillers or Botox to enhance what you already have.
I agree.
There's nothing wrong with it. If that's what you want, that's what you want. But it doesn't mean that you need to dislike how you look, because that's who you are. No one else looks like you. That's just you, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, anyways, we are in the end of the community questions. We don't have any more.
Yeah.
So firstly, I would like to thank you both for
Thank
driving
you
all the way
for
from
having
Dubai
us.
to Ajman. Thank you so much for coming here,
Thank you
and
for having us.
Yeah.
I
It
had
was
a
fun.
really
Honestly,
I had a really
really-
great conversation. I loved it. I loved every bit of it.
Yeah.
And I think this has been one of the best episodes I've shot.
Thank you. That's so
Ooh.
sweet. You're such a great host. Honestly,
Yeah.
you make
Thanks.
us want to talk.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I learned some new things as well today. I didn't
That's
know
great.
some things before.
And
so
that's
it's good.
great. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the latest episode. Inshallah, we'll meet you with more fun and interactive episodes in the future. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.